Yan po ang Centro de Turismo here at Intramuros. So, nandyan po, this was actually the Church of San Ignacio. San Ignacio being Saint Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Jesuits. So, right at the other side, kung ito po yung facade niya, dun po sa kabila, yung side facing Ateneo Municipal where Dr. Jose Rizal studied as a boy. Ateneo de Municipal. So ito po yung simbahan ng San Ignacio. Yung Beaterio de San Ignacio nandun po sa kabila. At yan na nga po, ginawa na itong malaking museum hanggang dun sa itaas. Nandito po tayo sa Centro del Turismo. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam, to God be the glory. Ayan, si San Ignacio de Loyola. Ito, ayan siya. It was saved actually. Mga jars. La Patria, our land, our identity. From community to city. Ayan. Naging ganyan. Ayan. At lalabas po tayo dito. Wow! Mga drawings, no? Ayan siya ang unang mapa. The old chests. Baul. Pre-colonial Manila.
Sabi niya nga ba,
Grabe, oh. Akit tayo sa taas. Ayan, grabe. Paikot. Grabe, ang taas pala nito. Hidalgo 812 Quiapo, Manila. Born in Malabon to Antonio Vicente and a Spaniard named Guardamonte, Maximo Vicente Sr. graduated from University of the Philippines School of Fine Arts. He was married to Crispina Laksamana and had 2 children. His daughter, Mother Therese Vicente, founded the Sisters of the Holy Face of Jesus at Hidalgo, Quiapo. Known as the most successful commercial santero in the Philippines, Maximo Vicente Sr. established Talleres de Maximo Vicente in 1908 at R. Hidalgo Street, Quiapo, before moving to Adriatico Street, Ermita. Vicente and his artisans showcased superior craftsmanship that could be at par with European standards, up to this day owning a piece by Talleres de Maximo Vicente is a reflection of devotion and exquisite taste. It was his son Maximo Jr. and his wife Soledad Hernandez Vicente who continued the legacy of his father through Talleres de Maximo Vicente. Ayan pala, ito si Junior. Ayan siya. Ayan, oh. Maganda naman talaga yung mga imahen, no? Holy Family. Ayan. Saint Vicente Ferrer. San Vicente Ferrer. Saint Peter. Saint Peter. And then, Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Yes. Maganda kasi ang pagkakagawa. Ay, lalo na ito. Ganda, ganda ni Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal, oh. Wow. Ang ganda niya. Oo. Talleres de Vicente. Ayan. Taga-ukit. Ayan. Ito din. Jesus Christ. Sacred Heart pero Risen Christ. Imahen. Legacy of Father. Ito. Flight into Egypt. Napakaganda. Carved in wood. Mother and child. Ayan ang Sacred Heart of Jesus. Have mercy on us. Today is the feast of the Divine Mercy. And so we thank the Lord for that. Wow, grabe. Anong meron dito? Pictures. Ayan. So silipin lang siya natin. Medyo mainit. Medyo mainit kasi open ang windows. Kaya ganyan. Okay. Hi. Ito naman. Dito malamig kasi air condition. Ang ganda nga, oh. Mother and child. Ito naman Holy Family. Legacy of Faith. The Venerated Virgins of Intramuros and Suburbs in Present Times. Was published in 1982 by the Intramuros administration as a guide to the most popular Marian devotions in Manila's walled city and its suburbs. These devotions, as well as the precious images of the Blessed Virgin Mary, to whom these religious devotions are accorded, have become significant cultural treasures, as well as signifiers of the Filipino Catholic faith. Archival documents have shown the splendor of the great Marian feasts in colonial Intramuros, especially those of the La Naval de Manila and the Immaculate Conception or Immaculada Concepcion. Photographers. Coronation. Si Wilfred Jason Naval, 25th anniversary of the canonical coronation of the Los Desamparados. Our Lady of the Abandon. Yun. This one is Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Aming Ina. Our Lady of the Abandoned. 1883 bell. The name is Santo Tomas de Villanueva. O 1883. Anyo de 1883. Sino gumawa? Julio de Hilario Sunico. Cistern pala. Paid access. Yan, meron pala silang Maharley Cafe. Mabuhay, we're open. Ayun doon, ang coffee, pero mainit guys. Magkape na lang tayo doon sa kabila.